Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that is interesting because Microsoft released a PDF that for the first time kind of looks at the future of Windows 10, 11 updates. And, we never had really a clear look into the updates that they deliver because we always had this very secret Microsoft that always doesn't say anything until the last minute. One of the interesting things about that document is how the Windows update for Windows 11, of course, we already told you that 23H2 is coming. And it's coming, as we call an enablement package, which means it's going to be a small update because it's going to just turn on features that are already within your PC. Now, we know that there will be a thing like Copilot is supposed to be in there and a few more features, but for the most part, these features will already be in your system and already be kind of in sleep mode. And 23H2 will be a small update that will simply turn them on. Now, there's an interesting thing about this because that document seems to talk about, even though we will have some new features, even though there will be new things that are going to happen, like the seconds in the clock that we had in the Moment 3 and so on, and we know 23H2 will contain a few things of Moment 4, there seems to be a slowdown in what will be released as new features. And this is where we're starting to think, is Microsoft actually getting into really high gear as of the building of Windows 12 at such a pace now that more focus will be given next year to Windows 12, which means less new features in Windows 11, even though there will be a big, there will be a number change. But, think about it. All the new features, all the big features of this year, for example, most of them have already been installed. We're at Moment 3. They're here now, which means 23H2 is not going to be that big because most of what's new is already there. And we think 24H2 will be a little bit in the same way, meaning there will be an update for 24H2 is going to exist, but it's probably just going to be with whatever moments next year we will have on Windows 11. But there definitely seems to be a slowdown, and I think it has to do with next year we also are supposed to get Windows 12. And I think a lot of the big features that might have been planned for Windows 11 at some point are going to be actually for Windows 12. So are we already getting into a quiet zone for Windows 11? That's going to be interesting to see in 2024. What moments are going to bring in 2024? But it definitely looks like a slowdown in preparation for Windows 12 in the last part or the second half of 2024. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.